girl J Baby, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is definitely going to be a waited video that I've been waiting for a long time. Once this company FitVille hit me up, I have been on pins and needles like crazy because you guys know, well, not all of you, for your new ones you probably don't know, but a lot of you guys know that your girl needs a knee replacement. And I have my tennis shoes. I have all types of tennis shoes that I do buy, and y'all see me buying tennis shoes here and there, trying to get that comfortableness that I need for my leg because I do need a knee replacement. And I'm able to find it without wearing them. I've been wearing shoes. I've been having my legs to swell up, and from the swelling to the shock that it puts on my knee, just a whole lot of things, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm a regular person who just be looking for comfortability in a shoe. And I've been buying my New Balances, I've been buying my Nikes, I've been buying my Air Force Ones. I've been buying a lot of shoes, just trying to, New Balances, everything, just trying to find the comfortableness that I need. So when FitVille hit me up, I said, oh, thank you. Because I hear that FitVille is actually a company that sells wide width shoes. You know, some wide width tennis shoes that stylish, look really nice. They don't look all cheesy, and they ain't cheap. Don't get it twisted there. They are not cheap, honey. They are a good investment, you know, but they're not expensive like that either. But it's a good investment. If you know, we not gonna put a price on it. When my knees swell, there is no price. I need to be comfortable. So they hit me up, and they actually let me pick out 2 pairs. So I'm so grateful to God that they said let me be able to get 2 pairs. That way I'm not limited to, I have to wear these with that. I can wear, you know, each one with, you know, different outfits. So I'm just so grateful to God for that, because y'all don't know, the struggle is hard. And I'm gonna show you guys my knee. You know, one knee is bigger than the other one, and I be looking for, so I'm like, I'm not one of them ones that's gonna get on here for a fit view. I'm not even being paid for this. This is, we just collabed together, and I was like, okay, because I can use this. And you know, it's a lot, y'all, when you need a knee replacement and you walking around and everything is swelling up on you, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the first one. Majority of the things I will put on the screen what the shoe does, but I've tried these, and I know for a fact that these feel so amazing, so amazing. It's emotional, y'all, a little bit, because it's been a lot. And you know, I get tired of the swelling. It's like sometimes when I go shopping, I gotta stop shopping just because my knee is hurting, and it could be like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Or if I'm trying to exercise to lose weight, unless I'm sitting on the bike, I can't do it because I'm hurting. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to walk around a track. Or if my husband asks me to go around and walk around a block, I can't because I'm hurting. You know what I'm saying? So I cannot wait. So this is how it comes right here, these shoes. And the first ones I got is the Rebound. They Rebound core, and they are black suede, actually. Black suede. This is how they come packaged, really nice in each individual package. And I'm hoping that my ring light, my ring light is not too bright. Let me turn it down just in case. No, I don't think it is. I don't know. But just a little bit. So it comes in their own bags like this. And girl, when I saw these on there, I was like, oh my goodness, they remind me of name brand shoes. Do you see this, honey? Yes, this is what they look like. I love this shoe, y'all. I love this shoe. This shoe is so cute, so cute. And the size that's in here, these are like a men's size. So this is like a, I'll put the size on here, y'all. My eyesight is crazy, but look at how stylish they look. Beautiful. And the wide width that they have right here for your feet. I need wide width, and then when I step down on something, I need for the shock resistance not to wear me out. So this is the second pair right here that they sent to me. Now these I really love. They are so cute. Look at these. Oh, I hope that you guys can see them because my ring light. But these are so beautiful. Look at that. Stylish. Really beautiful. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on, like I said, each pair of shoe, I will put the name of the shoe on the screen. I will put, you know, all of the details in the description bar of what this company does for you, for your shoe. And I have tried them, and I have walked in a house with the shoe, with the black ones, and I can't wait to go outside with them, okay? So I'm getting ready to show you my knee and show you how the fit looks on these shoes. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and try them on. I don't have no socks on. I'm going to put some socks on later on, though, when I wear them. But this is the first pair right here. And on here, they also have the care instructions on the tag. It has FitVille and it has the care. I don't care about all this. All I care about is being comfortable, y'all. I don't care about anything else but just being comfortable. And it's the wide feet for me that wears though my toes is not bunched up in this shoe, honey. These are so cute. So cute. You ain't gonna tell me. Nobody ain't gonna tell me that these shoes are not cute. They are so nice. And they feel so good on my feet. Now, when I stood up with them, honey, I ain't had to worry about all that pressure. And you can walk in them because they have this much, you know, cushion in it. Honey, you can walk in these and you don't have to worry about your feet, like the ground hitting against your knee. This is the knee that's swollen. I'm going to show it to you. So you see this? Even if it's already tied up, I could just slip the shoe on like it's nothing. You see that? And they are so nice. I'm not worried about whether somebody see FitVille. You can see whatever you want to see, honey. Because FitVille is a company that's nice. That's definitely geared to people who need a wide fit shoe, and also if you're exercising and or if you're walking and you don't need all that shock, these are the shoe for you. Now, if you can see my knee, this knee is smaller than this knee. This knee is bigger. You see, I need that knee replacement, honey. Definitely do. But these shoes, they are so stylish and so nice. So let me go ahead and try on the other pair. It's the wide width for me, honey. It's the wide width. Take them straight off. Oh my goodness. Like, what? Honey, you see the wide width? They have a choice where so you can get them wide, like a regular wide, or even wider if you have like wider width feet, like up in here. Where you know how your pinky toe be hurting, girl? Your pinky toe will not be hurting the knees. Believe that. So easy to take off. So easy. All of them come with their own bags, y'all. With their own bags. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. I really do love these. Oh my goodness. Do you see the shoe? They are beautiful. Okay, y'all. So if you can see my knee, you can see it now. That this one right here, I need a knee replacement. Girl, listen, I'm happy. I love these shoes. And I'm not taking these shoes back, honey. Look at how they look. So beautiful. They are so beautiful. So I really do need to put some socks on if I'm going to wear them. But these are so nice. And these are geared toward people who need, not just thick people, not just plus size people, but even small people who have injuries or you get swollen or anything, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm not saying some of those orthopedic shoes, I don't want it to look like an orthopedic shoe, okay? This is like an orthopedic shoe to me, but don't look like it, okay? Because this gives me all of everything that I need. So I'm so grateful for these shoes right here, baby. Now these right here are the ones that I am going to wear today. And I need to change my shirt. Yeah, I need to change my shirt. So, or I don't know. I'll probably just change it to a black shirt. I don't know. But these are the ones that I am going to wear today. So I'm going to take that off. Okay, I grabbed me some socks, y'all. Y'all think I'm kidding, okay? I'm serious about that. I cannot wait until I did the review. Now, I wore them around the house, but I could not wait till I did the review so I can be able to wear my shoes. And I have socks on. Watch how easy they are. Easy. Easy to put on. And they feel even better in socks. Even better. It feels like I'm actually, like, I don't know what the word is. It feels like I'm actually standing on clouds. Yes, I got my shoes on. I got my shoes on. These are the ones I'm wearing today. The black ones. So, I want to thank you so much, FitVille, for sending me out these shoes. I am so happy, y'all. Look. I'm so happy. So happy. I will put down the names of each shoe probably on the screen or even in the description bar. I hope that the light back here is not bothering you guys. So if it is, just, you know, please forgive me in advance. So I'm going to put down the names of each and every shoe, the sizes that I have. And also, like I said, you can do regular width for across the feet, or you can do a wide width. I think this one is a wide width, and then I have the other ones in just a regular width. I think that's how I got it. I will correct it if I'm wrong. But thank you so much, FitVille. I am so grateful to you for these shoes, because it's been a long time coming, and I really needed these shoes. So, and I have tested them, and they work for me. So, guys, down in the description bar, check out everything. I have a coupon code I'm going to drop down there. I'm going to drop down the links, everything that you need. That way you can get your hands on these. Now, these are investments, and they are made of very good quality. They are not something that's going to rip up on you. They're not just for plus size people. They are for anybody who needs, you know, a nice comfortable shoe where you ain't pinching your toes on the side, and where as though you can, you know, all the shock and keep getting to your feet and all this other stuff. So what I'm going to do is take out the tunk that comes in it. I mean, padding that comes in it. This is the padding that comes in it, and it feels really good. Really good. It's good and soft, and it feels like it will take that impact off of your knees. So I'm hoping and praying to God I don't have no swollen knees no more. No more, because I am definitely going to be wearing these. You know, I'm going to wear them. So thank you so much, and I'm going to get out of here. That was my review on FitVille tennis shoes, and they also have shoes as well, y'all. So check them out. All right, guys. So you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.